Hi there, my name is Prashant Savarkar and I have over 9 years of experience in the automobile industry as a technical trainer. I have previously worked with renowned companies like Mahindra and Mahindra and Ashok Leyland. I am excited to connect with job recruiters who are seeking a skilled and experienced professional to join their teams. Throughout my career, I have developed a strong technical training foundation and consistently delivered exceptional results. I have extensive experience in training automation technicians and service personnel on a variety of vehicles including cars, trucks and buses. I am well versed in a various training methodology, tools and techniques including virtual and online training too. My expertise lies in the developing and delivering effective training programs that help improve the training knowledge and skills competency development too. I have proven track record of delivering high quality training sessions that improve customer satisfaction and reduce cost. Ability to communicate a complex technical information in a simple and easy to understand way has helped me to achieve a success in this field. In addition to my technical skills, I possess excellent communication, leadership and organizational skills. I am a team player and thrives in a collaborative environment and I am committed to continue learning and development. I am always eager to learn new things and explore new opportunities. If you are looking for a skilled and experienced technical trainers to join your teams, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. I would be happy to discuss my experience, skills and how I can add value to your organization. Thank you.